Now question is show that for a particle in linear SHM, the average kinetic energy over a period of oscillation equals the average potential energy over the same period. So here see, first of all, if this is SHM, so it has some formula x is equal to a sine omega t. Now we know that kinetic energy formula and potential energy formula, but before that speed of that same particle, that is a sine function will be cos omega t and into omega. So differentiation of x we get v, right? Now kinetic energy Ek is equal to half mv square is equal to half into m into v a square omega square cos square omega t, and potential energy P is equal to half kx square is equal to half. Now k that is, see here, x is a square sine square omega t, right? Now k is nothing but k is equal to that formula we know, and that is under root omega is equal to k by m, right? So k subject, right? So under root k by m, then square of that, so it is m omega square, right? So that is k formula, m omega square. So now we have kinetic energy formula and we have potential energy formula, right? Okay, now see average value, see here it is given average potential energy, right? So we have to find average kinetic energy and average potential energy. So average, for average value, integrating both the sides, so 1 upon t integration ek with respect to dt 0 to t, so here is equal to 1 upon t integration ek, that is 1 by 2 m is square omega square cos square omega t, a square omega square cos square omega t is equal to, now all terms are constant, so m a square omega square upon 2t. Now cos square is nothing but 1 plus cos double by 2 dt 0 to t, right? So here now we have to integrate that, so m a square omega square upon 2t integration 0 to t 1 plus cos double by 2 dt, so m a square omega square upon 2t, m a square omega square upon 2t integration 1 by 2 plus cos double by 2 dt, now is equal to m is square omega square upon 2t, now 1 by 2 dt, so that will be into 1 by 2 dt means this is 0 to t, so that is t, right? Plus cos function will be sine, so sine 2 omega t upon that, again 1 by 2 common, right? So here again 2 omega because of that integration sign, and here upper limit t lower limit 0. So see, now m is square omega square upon 2t into 1 by 2, now upper limit t, then here we have to apply t, right? So that will become upon 2 omega, so t minus 0, right? So omega upon t again 2 pi, sine 2 pi, sine 4 pi will be there, so sine 4 pi is nothing but 0, so 0 minus 0, right? So that will be 0. Now tt gets cancelled out here, so we are left with m is square omega square upon 4. So this is average kinetic energy, right? Now similar manner we have potential energy, but in that potential energy we have sine square omega t, right? So similar here directly m is square omega square upon 2t, right? And that integration is sine square omega t dt, right? So here now it is about potential energy now. So is equal to m is square omega square upon 2t integration, that is 1 minus cos double by 2 dt. Now 2 common, so m is square omega square upon 4t. Now integration of this 1 dt, it will be t, so that is t minus cos becomes, now integration of cos becomes sine, so sine 2 omega t by 2. Again same things, upper limit lower limit, so here t and omega formula is nothing but 2 pi upon t, tt gets cancelled out, then 2 pi already remaining here, sine 4 pi, sine 4 pi becomes again 0, sine 0 becomes 0. So here again m is square omega square upon 4t into t. Now we are left with only t, so tt gets cancelled out, so we are left with last m is square omega square upon 4. So both have same values, m is square omega square by 4. Kinetic energy average is also m square omega square upon 4, and potential energy average is also m a square omega square. So this question hence proved here.